Are you ready to discover the first-to-market solution with proprietary Warp technology, which makes videos like no other app without Warp technology can? You can make
Doodle sketch videos, 2D animation videos, 3D animation videos, explainer videos, full motion videos, custom videos, any kind of video you want.
Anyone can do it by simply selecting and filling in the blanks. It's possible because almost everything is done for you already, with the software doing all the hefty lifting for you. Plus, later in this video, I'll show you the option how you can have such videos done without even a single click of your mouse. Oh, and I even want to show you a case study on how you can charge as much as $200 to $500 per minute of video with a simple gig on Upwork and Fiverr.